Okay, my granddaughter was changing the infusion set on her, or for her Beta Bionics iLet, which is an awesome insulin pump, by the way. And she noticed that this had come out a little bit. I'm going to move it back up like it was when she handed it to me. So it's not quite situated all the way down in there. And at first I thought, well, we'll just push it back down because the insertion needle's still in there. But then I noticed, and I'm going to line this up with the grid lines, you can see that the needle is leaning off to the left a little bit. That would hurt. And then I noticed that a white bit of plastic sticking up there. Well, on the other side is flush. And if we turn it over, we can see right there that that plastic piece where it attaches to the ring is not the same as on the other side. So then I thought, well, I can push that back down. And I tried, but I can't quite push it all the way in. And I don't know whether this is strictly a manufacturing defect or if this is her being way too rough with this. But I know she knows being rough with it can bend the insertion needle and that's painful. So I don't think she's doing that. But yeah, I mean, it just... Here it is. This is 90 degrees from where I lined it up with the grid lines earlier. And it's slightly off to the right in this view. Now you can see it's slightly off to the right, turned another 90 degrees. I don't know where the maximum offness is. Somewhere around there looks like maximum crookedness to me. But I don't know about any of y'all, but I wouldn't want to be popping that into my skin. Now, give me a second here for those of you who aren't insulin pump users. I'm going to show you how this thing works. All right. So this is cocked. And what you would do before you cocked it, if you were actually going to use it, is you take that white paper tape off of there and then take the green tube off, at which point you'd have an insertion needle and a adhesive sticky there. And then you would put this against your skin after cleaning it up, sanitizing it, and maybe using an adhesion promoter depending on your regime. And then you squeeze this and boom, that thing snaps it into your body. But if it doesn't go straight in, it will really hurt. If it does go straight in, though, it doesn't hurt much at all. I've done it just because I wanted to see what it felt like when my young granddaughter was using this when she first got on a pump. But I can certainly tell you, if that thing was bent and crooked, it would not be fun. Anyhow, hopefully this is useful to whoever's does the research and product development for this infusion set.